Hello, Mush. How are you? Best electricians in the country.
Smooth, right? Everything's running smoothly, man. As you can see, the weather is proper British.
But if you don't know, you have to get to know. Tell you now.
What would you say is the most enjoyable part of your job?
I think it's that it's like a big family, massive family here. You're all very, very supportive in everything that I have, family-wise myself, and I just love the whole vibe. I love everything.